Kia K8 large sedan looks elegant, offers V6 and AUD. This serves as a replacement for the Cadenza, also known as the K7, that was just dropped from Kia's US lineup. The new 2022 Kia K8 serves as a replacement for the Cadenza, also known as the K7, that was just dropped from Kia's US lineup. The K8 features Kia's new logo and design language. We don't expect to see this car come to the US, as Kia dropped the Cadenza from its lineup on our shores recently. The K8 is slightly longer than the car it replaces. It continues with a front-wheel drive, transverse-engine layout, but now offers all-wheel drive as an option with the top engine choice. 3 powertrains have been announced: a 1.6-liter turbocharged inline-4, 2.5-liter inline-4, and 3.5-liter V6. The V6 is the most powerful, offering 296 horsepower and 265 pounds-foot of torque, and there's also a natural gas version of this engine. You'll also find the latest in electronic driver assist features, including automatic emergency braking with cyclist and pedestrian detection, traffic sign recognition, a surround view camera, and a remote parking feature where the driver can maneuver the car from outside the cabin. The company says that many of the K8's design details, such as the interesting patterned grille treatment and the angular tail lights, will make their way onto other upcoming Kia models. The K8 is also the first Kia to feature the company's new logo. The block letters are prominently displayed on the hood and trunk lid. Inside, the K8 features two 12.0-inch screens, one serving as a digital gauge cluster and the other as the central infotainment display. The car will go on